Hey, Isaac. My name is Cesar Castañeda Figueroa. I'm 24 years old. I'm graduate for Industrial Chemical Engineering at IPM. I joined to ISEC last March as a TMP in the IGCP area in the Match and Migration Coordination. And now I am looking for apply to the LTBP TXP because I want to take this kind of opportunity in order to develop new things and try new challenge for the whole committee.
Well, now I will explain you how TXP can help to implement and live the global goals. First of all, TXP is more than human resources. I mean, TXP is in charge to implement, for example, team minimums, provide right trainings, and help for all membership into the career plan.